Let's learn about the 4 different levels of protein structure. The first level, or primary level, is the linear sequence of amino acids. Remember that proteins are made of amino acids, and the sequence of amino acids is going to determine the shape of the protein. So just like the letters in a sentence will determine what the sentence means, the amino acid sequence in a protein will determine the structure and function of a protein. In the secondary level, these amino acids are going to start bonding together. And they're going to bond together to form 2 different structures. The first are these corkscrew structures called alpha helixes, and the second are these beta pleated sheet structures that we represent with an arrow. But both of these structures are specific to the secondary level. Here's another way of looking at it. You can see the amino acids in the alpha helix are bonded together through hydrogen bonds. Now remember, these bonds aren't very strong, but they do create this structure. And you can see more hydrogen bonds in this beta pleated sheet. So remember, these 2 structures are going to be found in that secondary level. Now, the amino acids in these alpha helixes and beta pleated sheets are going to bond in specific ways because of the properties of their amino acids. Their properties can be polar, nonpolar, acidic, or basic, and these properties will determine which shape is going to be produced. The tertiary level is the next level. This is when the alpha helixes and beta pleated sheets are going to fold on each other and bond together to form some 3D structure. And again, this is due to the characteristics of the amino acids. Some proteins will stop at this tertiary level, where it's just one polypeptide bonded together to form some structure. But some proteins will have a quaternary structure. And this is where there will be several polypeptides that bond together to form some protein structure that the cell needs. Not all proteins will have a quaternary structure, some will only have a tertiary structure. But basically, these are just several polypeptides bond together.